Hi, this is Sohrab, and in this video I'm going to talk about using the color page in Davinci Resolve to edit a film. I recently finished a project in which I choose Davinci Resolve for several reasons. The first reason is the playback power of this software compared to Premiere Pro. Some of the videos for this project were shot with 5D Mark IV camera. This camera used the Motion JPEG codec and its 4K files are large in size. So their playback is difficult for Premiere Pro and often it is necessary to create proxy files for editing. However, Davinci Resolve could easily play them back and we were able to edit directly on the 4K files, and this significantly increasing our speed. The second reason is the way Davinci Resolve manages timelines. This software provides easy access to all the sequences or timelines created from here. And it is especially beneficial for documentary films with numerous footages that has to be categorized, organized, and searching between them becomes much easier. But the final reason, which became evident while working and is the main topic of this video, is the feature that exists in the Davinci Resolve color page. The light box window on this page displays all the video used in the timeline. By switching this window to full screen mode, all the videos could become visible in one place. This method significantly speeds up searches. Imagine searching linearly in the timeline. Our mistake would be high and our speed would be much lower. Also, if you have two monitors and the video clean feed option activated from the main menu of the workspace section, clicking on any video will display its image on the second monitor. Pressing the space key enables the playback. Interestingly, when switching to the edit page, the playback pointer is precisely on the selected video, so we can easily copy it from here and add it to the timelines we are working on. Hope you find this useful and make magic with your videos.